Hi Pre-Calc students. In this video I'm going to show you how to determine whether a relation is a function and not just a relation from a table. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'll remind you before we start what a function is. A function is a relation which assigns each element in one set exactly one element in another set. So the exactly one is the part that we're focusing on. And so our strategy, if we have a table, is going to be to compare the output y for to the inputs x. And we want to see how many outputs there are per input. We want one output per input, because that's what this exactly one element y in the set B means. So here are our two examples of determining a function from a table. So here are my inputs. So -9 has an output of 10. -3 has an output of 7. -3 also has an output of 6. So from this we see -9 has one output, but -3 has two. We only wanted one output per input. So that means this relation is not a function. In our second example, and we don't even need to look at the others because we already know that it's not a function, but the others actually work out. 2 has a single output of 5, 4 goes to 4, and 1 goes to 3, but none of these inputs go to more than one output like -3 does. In our second example, 1 goes to 3, and there's no other 1 in the x column, so 1 only goes to 3, so that's a single output. 2 goes to 8. We don't see 2 appearing as an input again, and so 2 only goes to 8. 3 only goes to 8. It's okay that 2 inputs both go to the same output, so this is still good. 4 goes to 9 and only 9. 5 goes to 2 and only 2. 6 goes to 5 and only 5. So these are all good. Each input, our inputs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, has only one output. So this is a function. So a rule to follow is that when looking at a table, if a given x value appears more than once, with two different outputs, it is not a function. There we go. It is not a function. Okay, so that's how you use a table to determine whether or not you have a function.